Alright, so long time no see everybody. Out here in the new and improved workshop. Haven't even done a project video out here. I've been setting up my kind of little machine area. I've got it all kind of situated, my lathes in place, and I've put my wall up, so that goes all the way along there. I've pressure washed, as you can see, the concrete. I've ordered some just grey concrete paint by Rust-Oleum. Don't know if it's any good, but I think it should be better than what's here. So yeah, I've got all my toolboxes which will go along here. I've got some organisers, just exactly like this here actually. So those organiser little kind of cubbies that mount to, you know, it's either plastic or metal backing plates, so I can organise kind of small little parts. So yeah, everything's coming along. I've got two pieces of kind of tin here. That one's aluminium, that one's steel. I think I might go with that aluminium. I've got enough to kind of do this whole wall here. And yeah, so everything's going to come out really nicely. Probably will have the mini mill placed right here, or it might even sit in the corner over there. I don't really know yet. It's wherever looks good. Even there's no PowerPoint over there, so I don't know how unless I run a cord. But there is PowerPoints on the ceiling though, or I could either get someone to run it over that way. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it's turned out. I come out here early this morning and got the rest of that wall sheeted up. So yeah, it's about 3.2 meters high. Don't know what that is in foot, but yeah, so I would like to get into doing some YouTube videos and probably do the best videos I possibly can, but we want to get this place cleaned up before we even start doing any of that. So tell me what you all think.